The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the format, that is the drawing format that we created for the class, in all of the drawings that you do. First of all, the drawing formats apply to drawings. So if we create a new drawing, we immediately get asked the question, what size paper should the drawing be made on? In this class, we want to always use the B size landscape paper size, which is 11 by 17 inches. Now, in order to use the format that was created, so by the way, when I click this B landscape thing, I've simply chosen the size of the paper, which is 17 by 11. But I have not yet told it what I want to put on that drawing in terms of the lines and the words that automatically get populated onto every drawing, which is called the title block. If we have the standard title block, it will be this one, and we'll end up with these lines that look like this. We don't want that because it's full of a lot of extra things that I don't want you to have to worry about. So we created a new one, and the way to access the new one is to download it from Learning Suite. Once you've downloaded it from Learning Suite, I highly recommend that what you do is you put that in a place where you can consistently access it for all of the project work that you do in the class. This is likely going to mean that it's not stored on a local computer, but is stored on your file system. Maybe that's a thumb drive, maybe it's a hard drive, maybe it's the J drive. But you can see what I've got going on here. I have solid modeling exercises number 1, solid modeling exercises number 2, and then I have an easily accessible drawing format right outside so that I can find it easily relative to all of the projects that we'll be working on. This is important because if you call a format and you say that it needs to be in your drawing and it's coming off of the hard drive, when you go to another computer, you're going to have a hard time finding that, and it's going to crash and not be able to give you the stuff that you want to have. So I've got this in a spot where it's going to be useful for all of my work. Once I open that, I can see then that all of these lines and all of these words, this is called the title block, all of these words are ready and pertinent to this class. As a quick note, the way that you enter in the information into this table is to go to Properties and to use the Customs tab on Properties, and then simply write in the stuff that you want. By the way, it is customary in drawings to use only caps, so I've just written my name right there in only caps. If you're using your own computer, save the drawing format to the same place where all of the other drawing formats are stored. Okay, so that is within the Solidworks directory under Language, English, Sheet Format, and then there's a whole bunch of different sheet formats. You can get down and just put the one you want in there, which is this ME272R1 that we're going to use in this class. But be thoughtful about where you do decide to put it, because it will make a difference with how readable your files are as you move from computer to computer to computer.